Today we're looking at how to do a fractal trade. We discovered a typical growth fractal here in a blue box. We have the bottom of the fractal there and the top here. Now, the entry would be ideally if we go below fractal here, that would be an entry to do a trade going down. If we go above the fractal here, that's an entry point to do a trade going long. Okay, so uh, if you notice on the completion of the fractal, it'll generally spike up. So you have to be kind of quick on this. We're looking at a 5-hour chart. That means we're looking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably. And the way to do this, you have two choices here. You can go long, for example, on Friday, okay, and that be your stop, and you're looking for the market to go up, all right. However, when you do a trade, you don't simply put a stop, okay. That'll take you out of the game. What you need to do is a stop hedge, meaning you'll have a fractal going down and going up. The stop hedge will take you out of the long, okay, it'll cover it, and then the trade will then be bearish going down. Again, the safe entry points would be above the fractal and below the fractal. A little risky here. You can go long, okay, but you put a sell stop times 2. Why? It takes you out of the long and puts you in a trade going down. So I'm labeling everything here for you, and you have a pretty good direction of what the market is expected to do here. Right now, this is kind of bullish, but again, we're on a 5-hour chart, so it's going to take a little time, but it is confirmed by the spike on the bottom of the fractal. So far, it's growing. No guarantee. A fractal on another time frame may disrupt the 5-hour fractal. Okay, so you put your stop here, you go long, and then you have another contract if the market goes below the bottom here, then you're in a trade going down. All right, so essentially you've got the trade covered on long and short. Okay, so this is called a descending ABCD fractal. It compressed and then it began to rise, and that's how you find a fractal and how to do a fractal trade. Again, this is on a 5-hour time frame on the Dow, but we know we can do the setup on any instrument on any time frame. And the key is to find that clear fractal. You can find that from Neil's channel. He'll post them every day. He'll probably do maybe 22 charts a day, and that's London time. He's way ahead of us, so that gives you a little advantage in the morning when the trades begin. Again, they begin in the morning and they determine the trend for the rest of the day. So again, I'm explaining how to construct a fractal, put your parameters, put your stop hedge. Again, stop hedge. Okay, don't put a stop. Just because the market refuses to go up, if you hedge, you'll be in the game again on a trade going down. So we'll find out how this particular fractal behaves on Sunday and Monday, but again, it may take a few days for this to resolve, but currently we're looking at growth and we're looking at a bullish consensus here. But again, on the long term, daily, chart, it's very bearish. We have a decaying fractal. All we're doing here is catching the swings, whether it be a point, 2, 20, or 100. That's all we're doing. We're trying to catch the swing on the fractal. Always have a target in mind in terms of profit. If you make $100, $200 a day, that's good. Don't hope to make 3 or 4 grand. Okay, that will happen sometimes, but again, we're just catching the swings in the market, and everything is labeled for you. So you have a roadmap for the Dow futures for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And in the meantime, we'll be looking at other fractals to see if we find something that we can trade on. Hank Wernicke from ElliottFractals.com, signing off.